Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, proposed a solution to the issue of privacy in a public blockchain: the use of stealth addresses. These would anonymize peer-to-peer transactions, non-fungible token transfers, and Ethereum name service registrations, protecting users. A Diffie-Hellman key exchange and a key blinding mechanism would need to be implemented to ensure that the link between the stealth address and the user's meta address can't be seen publicly. Additionally, ZK snarks could be used to transfer funds to pay transaction fees, but this would cost a lot of gas. Buterin also suggested that wallets should move towards a multi-address model for privacy-related reasons. He noted that longer-term usability issues could arise, such as social recovery problems, but could be solved over the long term. This blog post from Vitalik Buterin highlights a potential solution to the privacy issues of Ethereum. He proposes the idea of stealth addresses and discusses how they can anonymize transactions as well as how they could be implemented with ZK snarks. He also acknowledges the potential issues with the proposed solution and suggests ways to overcome them. It is clear that Buterin has done extensive research on the topic and is dedicated to finding the best solution for Ethereum's privacy issues. Cryptocurrencies experienced an upswing over the weekend, with Bitcoin reaching a high of above $23,000 and Ether following a similar path. Additionally, Microsoft has laid off its entire mixed reality team, which was behind its virtual reality, augmented reality, and HoloLens efforts. This has led to speculation about the future of the metaverse, and whether Apple will be able to succeed where other large tech firms have struggled. Despite the recent positive performance, some analysts warn of potential downside risks. They have suggested that Bitcoin could test $20,000 in the coming days. Microsoft's exit from the mixed reality space has raised questions about whether the metaverse will include a headset for virtualized reality. Additionally, questions arise as to whether Apple will be able to succeed where other firms have failed. Sam Reynolds is a writer based in San Francisco covering the intersection of technology and culture. This article provides an interesting overview of the current state of the crypto industry. Bitcoin continues to show resilience and Ether is making gains, but large tech companies are struggling to make the metaverse a reality. Microsoft's recent exit from the space has raised doubts about the success of the metaverse, and Apple's potential entrance has many wondering if they can succeed where others have failed. In addition, there is an update on Genesis Global Holdco LLC filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection and the implications it may have. GoldTV's official Twitter account has been hacked to promote an XRP scam. XRP scams are becoming increasingly common on social media. They pose as Ripple-affiliated entities offering lucrative investment opportunities that turn out to be false. Scammers have adopted various tactics to stay ahead of detection, such as fake accounts, public sentiment manipulation, misrepresentation of credentials, and multi-level marketing schemes. They also employ intricate phishing networks. This is a concerning issue that highlights the need for increased security measures to protect users from malicious activities. It is important for users to be aware of the risks associated with participating in XRP-related activities and to exercise caution when engaging with any unknown entities. Additionally, users should always research and verify any offers before committing to them. Bitcoin and Ether continued to rise over the weekend, with Bitcoin breaching $23,000 for the first time since August before retreating. Microsoft is the latest tech firm to exit the metaverse. As other large tech firms have struggled in the space, Apple's entrance into the market in 2024 to 2025 is seen as a potential game changer. Despite a positive outlook for the crypto market, BitBull Capital's CEO warns of a correction and investors should be mindful of downside risks. Meanwhile, Signature Bank will no longer support crypto exchange customers with buying and selling amounts less than $100,000. Lastly, the Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released this week. Additionally, the European Commission Consumer Confidence and Australia S&P Global Services PMI will be released this week. Sam Reynolds is a freelance technology journalist based in San Francisco. This article provides an interesting overview of the current state of the cryptocurrency markets and its effects on the overall economy. It also highlights the struggles that large tech firms have faced in the space and the potential for Apple to succeed where others have failed. It is a comprehensive look at the current state of the crypto industry, making it a must-read for any investor. Ethereum developers have successfully created a copy of the blockchain, known as a shadow fork. This provides a testing environment for the Shanghai hard fork. Glitches with Ethereum's Geth clients have been reported, with developers working on resyncing them with the network. The shadow fork is part of a series of test forks to copy data from the main network to a testing environment. It focuses on staked ETH withdrawals and improvements to reduce gas costs. The Shanghai upgrade is expected to go live on the mainnet in March 2023, and the public testnet will launch in the coming days. This shadow fork is an important milestone in the preparation for the Ethereum Shanghai hard fork, which is expected to occur in March 2023. It is a crucial upgrade that will unlock staked ETH withdrawals and reduce gas costs. Developers successfully created the shadow fork to provide a testing environment, and they are now working on syncing Geth clients back up with the rest of the network. The public testnet for Shanghai will also go live in the coming days. GoldTV's Twitter account was recently hacked to promote an XRP scam. XRP scams have become increasingly common on social media. Scammers are impersonating Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and offering false investment opportunities. Victims who take the bait find themselves with no funds. The scammers are constantly developing new tactics to stay ahead of detection. They use fake accounts, public sentiment manipulation, misrepresentation of credentials, multi-level marketing schemes, and phishing networks. This case of GoldTV's Twitter account being hacked to promote an XRP scam is a warning to all users of social media and cryptocurrency investors to be aware of the ever-changing tactics of scammers and to be vigilant in protecting their own funds.